Assalamu alaikum. Our lesson today is about the volume. So at the end of this video, you should be able to recognize that the meter cube is the unit of volume in international system. Notice the existence of other units of volume. Convert a volume from a unit into another. Before you start, please read and follow these instructions. Sit in a quiet place, prepare your stuff, follow my instructions, repeat the video more than once, and ask me if you have any question. I want you to prepare a mobile phone, a calculator, a notebook and a pencil, and your physics booklet. Let us review what we had taken previously. What is the volume? The volume is the space occupied by an object. The volume of an object having a regular geometrical shape depends on the dimensions of this body, such as volume equal length times width times height, by using the formula V equal L times W times H, by which units the volume is expressed. The unit of volume in international system is meter cube. Are there other units? Yes. The volume of an object can be expressed in centimeter cube, decimeter cube, millimeter cube, and other units. Units of length. If we have an ant, a pencil, a tree, and a road, what is the unit of measurement for each of these sizes? Millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. This is a scale of meter. It starts by kilometer, which is the biggest unit, and it ends by millimeter, which is the smallest unit. This is another form of scale of meter. To convert from the biggest unit to the smallest unit, we multiply. Inversely, to convert from the smallest unit to the biggest unit, we divide. Between the unit and the next unit, there is one jump, so we multiply by 10 and divide by 10. To convert from millimeter, the smallest unit, to meter, the biggest unit, we divide, but in this case, there is 3 jumps, and in each one, we divide by 10. So we have 3 zeros, so we divide by 1000. When we have to divide by 1000, the comma moves 3 places from the right of the number to the left. So 1000 millimeter equal 1 meter. In the classroom, the teacher asked her students to calculate the volume of a cube of size 10 centimeter. The first student answered, the volume is 1000 centimeter cube. The second student answered, the volume is. The third student answered, the volume is 1000 millimeter cube. The teacher said, great, all answers are correct. The students were surprised. So how can we justify that all the answers are correct? We will use the scale of meter cube. The scale of meter cube starts with kilometer cube, which is the biggest unit, and it ends with millimeter cube, which is the smallest unit. If we want to convert to 0.754 from kilometer cube, the biggest unit, to hectometer cube, the smallest unit, we have one jump, so we multiply by 1000. When we have to multiply by 1000, the comma moves 3 places from the left of the number to the right, like this. We put 0 in the blank box, so 2.754 kilometer cube equal 2754 hectometer cube. Another example, If we want to convert 35.80 from hectometer cube, the biggest unit, to meter cube, the smallest unit, we have two jumps. In each one, we multiply by 1000. So we have 6 zeros. So we multiply by 1 million. When we have to multiply by 1 million, the comma moves 6 places from the left of the number to the right, like this. So we put 5 zeros in the blank boxes. The answer will be 358 millions meter cube. Inversely, if you want to convert from millimeter cube, the smallest unit, to centimeter cube, the biggest unit, we have one jump, so we divided by 1000. When we have to divide by 1000, the comma moves 3 places from the right of the number to the left, like this. We put 0 in the blank box. So 5 millimeter cube equal 0.005 centimeter cube. Now, please open your booklet, page 3, and start to solve this application with me. First, you should draw the scale of meter cube on your draft paper. Are you ready? Let us start. How can I convert 3000 millimeter cube into centimeter cube? From millimeter cube into centimeter cube, there is one jump, so divide by 1000. 3 centimeter cube. How can I convert 50 million centimeter cube into meter cube? Observe, from centimeter cube into meter cube there is 2 jumps, so divide by 1 million, so 50 meter cube. How can I convert 1300 decimeter cube into meter cube? On the scale of meter cube, from decimeter cube into meter cube there is one jump, so divide by 1000. 1.3 meter cube. Finally, 2000 millimeter cube into decimeter cube. From millimeter cube into decimeter cube there is 2 jumps, so divide by 1 million, so 0.002 decimeter cube. If we have a drop of water and a bottle of water, what is the unit of measurement for each of these sizes? Milliliter and liter. How can I convert from milliliter into liter? Divide by 1000. How can I convert from liter into milliliter? Multiply by 1000. The volume of a gas or a liquid is also expressed in liter, milliliter, and other units. The relationship between the scale of meter cube and that of liter is 1 decimeter cube equal 1 liter, or 1 centimeter cube equal 1 milliliter. Let us solve some examples, but before start, don't forget that to convert from milliliter into liter, divide by 1000. To convert from liter into milliliter, multiply by 1000. Also, 1 decimeter cube equal 1 liter, or 1 centimeter cube equal 1 milliliter. How can I convert 4 liter into milliliter? From liter into milliliter, multiply by 1000, so 4000 milliliter. 23 decimeter cube into liter. Decimeter cube is equal to liter, so multiply by 1, 23 liter. 0.490 liter into decimeter cube. Liter is equal to decimeter cube, so the number stays the same. 51.3 centimeter cube into milliliter. From centimeter cube into milliliter, multiply by 1, so the number also stays the same. 40 decimeter cube into liter. From decimeter cube into liter, multiply by 1, so 40 liter. From liter into milliliter, multiply by 1000, 40,000 milliliter. From milliliter into decimeter cube, divide by 1000, so 1.29357 decimeter cube. Solve this question as homework to be corrected later on. This is your agenda. Thank you for your attention.